What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mountain High Local. Thanks for checking out this video. Today I'm installing new intakes on my '08 Infiniti G35. I've been having some problems with my RPMs going up and down, having a bad idle, and one of the things I did notice is that my intake hoses on my car do have a bunch of cracks, so a possible vacuum leak. So hopefully these brand new puppies will solve that. I just got these off Amazon. I believe it was only like $40 total, so I'll take you down there, take you step by step, tell you what you need to do in order to put some new intakes on your Infiniti. There's the old intakes. One clamp, two clamp, one clamp, two clamp. Set that there. Now with this, take off your first hose. Okay. Bam. Hold one off. Nice and new. Except I need to get this grommet out. There we go. Nice and clean. Wonder if I got it. There. It's not going anywhere. Seated all the way around. Looks good. Back. That is how you install your two new intakes on your '08 G35. Now to see if it'll actually help my RPM issue. Now here's the real test to see if that helped my car. My car has really bad idles, especially when it first starts in the morning. So we'll see if this helps. I believe I had a vacuum leak, but dang it, guys.